Okay, electron orbital, and then we're done with the atom structure. Electrons do not orbit around the nucleus in a nice and neat circle like the moon and the earth. Instead, it floats like a butterfly and stings like a bee. Just kidding, what I meant was it floats like a boomerang. The inside electron only have the proton pulling in, so it floats like a nice and neat circle. See? But the electron on the outside floats like a boomerang, like this. See? There are many forces acting on the electron. The protons are pulling it back in the center, but other electrons are pushing it back out. So you get this like boomerang motion. The electron on the outside, the valence electron so-called, gets repelled strongly by the inner electron. Then the valence electron get pulled back in. The electron on the outside, the valence electron, are first pulled in by the force of the protons. But as it approaches the nucleus, the inner electron will repel it, pushing it back to the edge. And just when the valence electron is about to go off course, the proton pulls it back in, and the cycle repeats, creating an orbit that's like an infinity sign. The orbits occur in three-dimensional on the x, y, and z axis. So you see it acts like an infinity sign. Put all that confusing stuff together and you get chemistry. See, that's why I prefer biology, it's not confusing. To top it off, the electron locations are composed of shells, or energy levels. Each shell contains a number of orbitals. You can think of it like a stadium. The seats are divided into sections. Each section, like shelves, have a certain numbers of rows, orbitals. For example, section 1 has, for VIP, so it only has 1 row of seats. Then section 2 has 4 rows of seats, 1 big one and 3 smaller ones. So same thing with atoms. You have first shell, 1 orbital. Second shell, 4 orbital. You have 1 big one and 3 smaller ones. And then you have shell 3 and then more rows and so on. Continuing with chapter 2, we learn how atoms bond to become molecules. Atoms are everywhere, so it's not surprising that one atom will meet another. Atom A was walking down the corner of a building while Atom B was running down the other corner of the same building. Then all of a sudden, Atom B ran too hard and too fast and bumped into Atom A, and Atom A popped off from the corner, knocking down Atom A. "Are you okay?" asked Atom B as he helped Atom A up. "Yeah, I am, but I think I lost an electron," replied Atom A. "Really? Are you sure?" asked Atom B. Atom A replied, "Yeah, I'm positive." "Really? Are you sure?"